NMMS 2023 Series 5th. 81. When there is a difference between demand and supply, the goods and services. Our options are A. Price varies. B. Price will remain stable. Price will decrease. D. Price will increase. It is a direct question. So our answer is A. Price varies. 82. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. Increase in the national income is the symbol of economic development. Statement B. The volume of a national income depends upon production. If the production increases, the national income also increases. Our options are A is false but B is true. B. Both A and B are true but B is not a correct explanation of A. Option C. A is true but B is false. Option D. Both A and B true and B is correct explanation of A. Let's find clue. Increase in national income is the symbol of economic development. The volume of the national income depends upon production. So our right option is here B. Both A and B are true and B is correct explanation of A. 83. Which are the correct statements regarding per capita income? First, national income is divided by the total population of the nation. We get the per capita income. Second, if the national income is more than per capita income is also more. Third, if the national income decreases, per capita income also decreases. Fourth, the per capita reveals the economic condition of the. Let's find the answer. If the national income is divided by the total population of the nation, we get the per capita income. If the national income is more, the per capita income is also more. If the national income decreases, per capita income also decreases. Per capita income of different nations reveals the economic condition of a given nation. Our right option is here. C. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. 84. The physical labor requires physical strength, where the mental labor requires. Options are A. Intelligence, B. Qualification, C. Experience, D. Dignity of labor. Here is a clue. The physical labor requires physical strength, whereas a mental labor requires intelligence. Very simple question and option A is right, intelligence. 85. Suppose you wish to procure 2000 notebooks for your school. Which one of the following shops will you prefer to go? Our options are A. Wholesale stationery shop, B. Shop in a weekly market, C. Retail stationery shop, D. Street shop. Here is a clue. Wholesale traders buy goods in large quantity from producer and sell them to retailers in a small quantity. They do not keep a high margin of profit. Here our right option is A. Wholesale stationery shop. 86. These industries are engaged in reproduction of different crops, plants and animals. Our options are A. Extractive industries, B. Genetic industries, C. Constructive industries, D. Manufacturing industries. Here is a clue. Genetic industries. These industries are engaged in reproduction of different crops, plants and animals. They help to increase the wealth of a nation. Horticulture, dairy farming, poultry farming. Right option is A. Extract, B. Genetic industries. 87. Anita is residing in India. She buys goods from Russia with a view to sell it to Japan. This business is referred as our options are A. Export trade, B. Import trade, C. Wholesale trade, D. Interport trade. Here is a clue. Interport trade refers to buying of goods from one country with a view to sell it to other countries. Singapore and Middle East countries are the best examples for interport trade. Here our option D, interport trade. 88. Cottage industries are also called as, options are A, household industries, B, genetic industries, C, small scale industries, D, village industries. Here is a clue. Cottage and small scale industry. Cottage industries are also called household industries. Our right option is here A, household industries. 89. Karta is a head of, our options are A, sole trading concern, B, partnership firm, C, Hindu undivided family concerns, D, joint stock companies. Here is the answer. Hindu undivided family business concern. The eldest senior most member of the family manages the business and he is called Karta. Our right option is here C, Hindu undivided family business concern. 90. This type of partner are not entitled for any share in profit, but they are liable for business losses. Options are A, active partners, B, sleeping partners, C, minor partners, D, nominal partners. Here is the answer. Nominal partners, they neither contribute capital nor take active participation in day-to-day transactions of the firm. They are not entitled for any in profit, but they are liable for business losses. Here our right option is D, nominal partner. 91. The purpose of Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyothi Yojana is, our options are A, to ensure access to financial services in nationalized banks, B, to help public to open bank account, C, to provide loan for small businessmen, startups from 50,000 to 10 lakhs, D, to provide life insurance to all citizens. Here our right option is D, to provide life insurance to all citizens. 92. Per capita income is obtained by dividing national income by, our options are A, total population of the country, B, total working population, C, area of the country, D, volume of the capital used. Here is a clue. Per capita income. If the national income is divided by the total population of the nation, we get the per capita income. Here is our right option A, total population of the country. 93. The largest contributor of the national income of the India is the, options are A, primary sector, B, service sector, C, secondary sector, D, industrial sector. Here is the answer. It is the service sector which is the main source of national income. Therefore, service sector contribute more than 50 of the GDP. So here our right option is B, service sector. 94. Identify the merits, advantages of the sole trading concern among the following. Options A, it can be started by own capital. B, it provides employment to some people. C, it provides better managerial ability and it increases efficiency. D, the owner enjoys all the profit. Our options are here A, B and D, right? B option A, B and C. C option A, C and D. D option B, C and D. Here is the answer. Advantages of sole trading concerns. It can be started by own capital. The owner enjoys all the profits and bears all the losses. They provides employment to some people. Here our right option is A. Option A, B and D. 95. Raju purchases a car. This activity is classified as an economic action of, options are A, production, B, consumption, C, D, distribution. Here is a clue. Consumption. The use of goods and services to be satisfied wants is called consumptions. Here right option is B, consumption. 96. Choose the group of correct statement. Our options are A. Latitudes are drawn with a reference Earth axis. B. There are 360 latitudes in total. C. 0° latitude is the greatest circle. D. As we approach nearer to the latitudinal circle of north and south, it gets smaller. Our options are A, D and C. In B option, A, B and D. In C option, B, C and D. And D option, A, C and D. Let's get answer. The equator 0° is longest line of the latitude known as the Great Circle. The length of lines of latitude decreases with the distance from the equators. Including equators totally, there are 181 latitudes on the globe. Here, option A is right, A, D and C. 97. Read the following sentence and mark the correct option. A. The equatorial low pressure belt is the warmest zone. B. This part receives direct rays of the sun throughout the year. Options A. Both A and B are true. Option B. Both A and B are false. Option C. A is true, B is false. D. A is false, B is true. Here is an equatorial low pressure belt. The equatorial low pressure belt is a zone of high temperature and low pressure. This region gets direct rays of the sun almost throughout the year. Here, both A and B are true. 98. Match column A with the column B and choose the correct answer. Column A, troposphere. B, stratosphere. C, thermosphere. D, exosphere. In column B, first, ozone gas. Second, very low pressure. Third, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Fourth, ionosphere. Let's first see the answer. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Stratosphere, in this layer, ozone is the most important gas which absorbs ultraviolet rays. Thermosphere, in this layer, temperature rises drastically. It is also called ionosphere. Exosphere, pressure is extremely low. Here, the B is right option. 99. Match column A with the column B and choose the correct answer. Column A. Option A, uppermost layer of the earth. B, the lower part of the crust. C, upper mantle. D, the core. In column B, first, nef. Second, asthenosphere. Third, cell. Fourth, sima. Here is a clue. In the upper part of the crust, only lighter materials are found. It is called cell, silica and aluminium. The lower part of the crust is rich in silica and magnesium. It is called sima. Upper mantella or the asthenosphere is partially in a molten condition. The most important material of the core are nickel and ferrous iron. So it is called nef. So our right option is here C, 100. An ocean between the continents of Asia, Africa and Australia. Our options are Pacific Ocean, B, Indian Ocean, C, Atlantic Ocean, D, Arctic Ocean. Here is a clue. Indian Ocean. Our right option is here B, Indian Ocean.